You spent hours picking fonts, you choose the perfect pictures, you made it feel like you, and still your website isn't booking clients. It's pretty, but it's not working. And so let's talk about why your website might be costing you clients, and let's talk about how to fix it. Because a website is not a brochure, it's not a vision board, and it's not a vibe, it's a system. And if it's not built to guide, convert, and clarify, it's just decoration. Let's start there. When someone lands on your site, they're not wondering if it's cute. They're wondering, can this person help me? Do they get what I'm looking for? And is this person someone I can trust with my time and my money? If your website doesn't answer those questions quickly, they're gone. So let's break down what's actually missing. First, your website needs direction. What's the path? Where should they go first? What do you want them to do? Most travel advisor sites feel like a hallway full of doors, about page, destination gallery, blog posts, pop-ups. It's confusing. You don't need more options. You need a journey. Lead them. Don't let them wonder. Your homepage should immediately say who you help, what you offer, what action to take next. Period. Second, your website needs clarity. Are you a planner, a curator, a concierge? Do you sell group trips? Do you build custom luxury itineraries? Do you offer memberships? Be specific, because vague websites attract vague clients. Don't just say I help people travel. Say I help a busy professional plan high-touch, stress-free trips without spending hours online. That's clear. That's specific. That's valuable. Third, your website needs a real offer, not just pretty pictures or places, not just here are the destinations I love. That doesn't convert. You need to explain what you offer, what the experience looks like, what's included, and how much it costs. And you don't need a pricing page if you don't want one, but you do need to speak the value of your process. Your client isn't booking Paris, they're booking you. Don't make them dig for the reason. Fourth, your website needs proof, testimonials, screenshots, stories, client wins. You don't need hundreds. You need a few strong, real examples that say, I did this for someone like you, because your client is trying to decide if they should trust you. And trust is built through evidence. Fifth, your website needs to feel like a system, meaning there's a next step, there's a way to move forward, there's a way to book, inquire, or apply. Whether it's a free call, a paid consult, or a group trip landing page, there needs to be movement. Your website isn't just there to show what you do, it's there to start a client journey. If people land on your page and just look around, that's not helping your business, that's just traffic. We want action, clarity, momentum. Now let me speak to something else, because I see this a lot. Advisors who treat their website like resumes. It's all about me, all background, all certification. It's not bad, but it's backwards. Your client doesn't care about your story first. They care about their problem, their stress, their dream. Make them the center of the page and position you as the guide. That shift alone will change how people respond to your offer. Let me give you a quick example. Instead of I'm a certified travel advisor and trip planner based in Atlanta, I've always loved planning travel for friends and family. I want you to try this instead. Planning a group trip should feel exciting, not overwhelming. I help busy women simplify the process so they can enjoy the journey without the stress. Do you see the difference? The first is about you, the travel advisor. The second is about them. That's the pivot. So let's recap. Your website needs clear direction, a specific offer, real proof, a clear next step, and messaging that puts the client at the center. If you're missing even one of those pieces, that could be the reason people visit your site. They never reach out. And the good news, this is all fixable. And you don't need to become a web designer. You just need a system. That's what we walk through inside of the $1 TLC challenge. We don't just talk about tech, we talk strategy, what belongs on the page, how to write it, how to guide people from just looking to I'm ready to book. Because your website should do more than just sit there. It should be working, leading, qualifying, and quietly converting without you being in the room. That's what we build, and it starts there. OnlineTravelBoss.com/TLC. Join the $1 TLC challenge. Let's make your website more than pretty. Let's make it profitable. You weren't just looking for tips. You were looking for a better way to build. If that's real for you, the 3-day TLC challenge will reset your whole approach. We go beyond content. We build the business model most advisors were never shown. Click the link below and come join us. This isn't training, it's a blueprint. See you inside.